Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So your Chrome browser slow problem on Windows 11. So how to fix? So first guys, open only Chrome browser and then click to three dot and go to setting. Then performance. Okay. Now on this memory saver. Okay, select the balance. By default automatically it will select it. Okay, and then close the Chrome browser. Then click to start and type run. Open it, type percentage temp percentage and then click to OK. After that select all and right click to delete it. This is temp file, this is not your data guys. Okay, next and very important, repair Windows file. Open PowerShell as admin, click to start and type the PowerShell, right click to run as administrator and click to yes. Then guys type sfc space slash scan now. After that hit enter. So it will start the percentage. That's mean your system is some corrupted file to restore and repaired. Okay, so it will complete 100% now. After that 100% required the system restart. Okay, you are both, if you are using laptop also and if you are using desktop, so no, restart is compulsory. And then guys check it.